Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI for business automation tasks in 2026. So if you want to save time on emails, reports, customer replies, or repetitive office work, this guide will help you set it up step by step. First, open your browser and go to Claude AI. Then sign in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, you can start using Claude as your business assistant. Now, list the tasks you do repeatedly in your business. So things like writing emails, generating reports, summarizing meetings, or replying to customer messages are perfect for automation. Next, convert those tasks into clear prompts. I mean, instead of doing everything manually, you tell Claude exactly what output you want, like email templates, summaries, or structured reports. You can use Claude to automate writing tasks like emails, proposals, meeting notes, and customer replies. This saves a huge amount of time in daily business operations. Another powerful use is summarizing business data. You can paste reports, spreadsheets, or long documents and ask Claude to extract key insights instantly. If you do the same tasks daily, create reusable prompt templates. So this helps you automate repetitive work even faster without rewriting instructions every time. And that's how to use Claude AI for business automation tasks in 2026. Once you start converting repetitive work into smart prompts, you can save hours every day and focus on more important work. If this guide helped you out, feel free to check out more AI productivity tutorials. Hey